Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to know that how to fix the orange light on TP-Link router, then this video is for you. Don't worry, there is a complete fix for you how you can get rid of this annoying issue. So make sure you have followed all of this symbol from here. Now let's talk about what it actually means. So if you can see the internet icon on the TP-Link router as orange, this means that the internet port is connected, but there is a problem establishing a connection to the internet service provider. In simple terms, the internet is not available. So there is a variety of reasons why your ISP is having some problems. It could be that some works are taking place on the network, or there's a fault locally. So you should contact with your internet provider. So if it's issue with all of this, then that's mean this is also for internet, and this is also for the Wi-Fi connection. If the orange light is in this Wi-Fi connection icon here, so that means you don't have the Wi-Fi connection or the Wi-Fi network, or you have a weak signal on your router. So now let's see how you can just fix it. So you have to check the cable connection first. Any of the three cables could be a loose connection. This could be a power cord, the internet service provider, the ISP, or a cable line. Then ensure that all cables are connected securely. Then step 2 is firewalls and virtual private networks. The VPNs have been turned on. The internet speeds typically decreases while using a VPN or a firewall. Internet speeds can be drastically slowed down by interference caused by crowded transmission lines. Failure to timely upgrade firmware. If the issue of the orange light still persists despite checking all of the potential factors above, then please continue reading that. Your typical driver's orange light issues is a very easy fix. One of the methods below is bound to solve the problem for you. So you have to remove the modem actually. So rebooting the modem can help you to fix this problem, or check your ISP network, then cloning correct MAC address. For that you have to log into your TP-Link router account. If there is no problem with your ISP, the internet ISP network, or your internet provider, so you should go with these steps. So you have to go to the TP-Link router account. Then once you are logged into your dashboard, select advanced form or the top menu. You will need to click on network, which you will find on the left menu. Then select internet on the sub menu section. Scroll down to the MAC clone section and check the use current computer MAC address ratio button. Then click save to action the changes. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.